Yes.
Okay, thank you. And NAPABA is funded by Mr. George Soros, is it not?
Senator, I'm not familiar with the funding.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something intense to dive into. Senator Kennedy just grilled a Biden nominee in a hearing that has everyone talking. The focus, Judge Meredith Vacca, her ties to a George Soros-funded organization, and some pretty controversial statements. Senator Kennedy, always sharp with his wit, questions Judge Meredith Vacca about her membership in the National Asian Pacific American Bar Association, or NAPABA. Kennedy's got his facts straight and challenges her on the duration of her membership, pointing out discrepancies that immediately set the tone for the rest of the hearing. Kennedy doesn't hesitate to link NAPABA to George Soros' Open Society Foundations, asking Judge Vacca if she was aware of who was backing the organization. You won't want to miss this one. So grab your popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it.
Judge Vacca, you are a member of an organization called the National Association Pacific American Bar Association, are you not?
I was, Senator. My membership lapsed at the beginning of this year, but I was a member for 2 years.
Well, my record shows you were a member for 22 years.
Senator, that was a mistake, and I actually sent a letter after I saw that mistake to the committee, so it was 2 years.
Okay. And I'll call it the NAP-ABA, is that the correct acronym?
I think NAPABA.
NAPABA?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And NAPABA is funded by Mr. George Soros, is it not?
Senator, I'm not familiar with the funding. I was a member and I paid the dues, but I had no contact with any of the members there, and so that's why I let my membership lapse.
Well, its website says that it's funded by the Open Society Foundations, which are founded by Mr. George Soros. Now, NAPABA in March of 2023, while you were still a member, NAPABA issued a statement, and it said that it supports allowing transgender and intersex girls and women to participate in all sports. Is that correct?
Senator, I'm not familiar with NAPABA's statement, so I'll take your word for it.
You didn't know anything about that?
No, Senator, I joined the organization because I thought it would give me a community of other Asian American attorneys and judges, but I didn't have any interaction with anyone in the group. I didn't attend any meetings or vote, and so I'm not aware of that statement or any of other statements made by NAPABA.
So this is all an epiphany to you. Is that right?
Yes, Senator.
Okay. NAPABA also issued a statement that said the following. It supports state and local governmental entities that choose not to honor ICE detainer requests and that also decline to detain individuals solely on the basis of an ICE detainer request. So NAPABA opposes supporting ICE. Is that correct?
From what you just read, Senator, I guess I haven't read that statement, but I can tell you, Senator, that I don't ascribe to any of those statements that you just read to me.
Okay. Judge, in October of 2020, you ran for judge, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And on a talk radio interview, here's what you said. I'm going to quote.
Okay.
It's okay. We also need to recognize the effects of racism on our criminal justice system. Institutional racism impacts all of society. I think that is amplified in our criminal justice system. We see that in the disproportionate number of black men and women being incarcerated and convicted, end quote. Did I read that correctly?
So there you have it, a nominee under fire, a senator who won't back down, and some serious questions about political motivations. What do you guys think? Is Judge Meredith Vacca just being misunderstood, or is there something more going on here? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.